Welcome back to Aiden's Big World. Today we're going to be talking about two awesome planets, Mercury and Venus. And for the materials, you're going to need water, a towel, a little paintbrush pad, and two types of paintbrushes. We're going to be doing two planets today. Isn't that exciting? Now we're going to be painting Mercury. As you see, Mercury just needs two types of colors. It just needs black and white. You're also going to need to do that. As you know, you just need to add a black paint, but don't let it spill all over you. Else it would get a little messy. You're also going to need a white one. And don't let it get you much messy this time. The white might be a little harder if you get by a paint like this. You just need to do like 2 little drops. And then boom, you're done. Mercury, this little guy is always hanging out with this old guy right here. Get it? This old guy, since he's over 4 billion years old. By the way, did you know that Mercury doesn't actually have an atmosphere? Yeah, it doesn't have no atmosphere. It only has a thin one. The reason why you can't see even one atmosphere is because the sun's solar wind, it keeps pushing it away. Did you know that Mercury got hit by a bunch of meteors 4 billion years ago? It actually got craters. And the craters were formed because meteors kept hitting Mercury every day. And they keep smashing into Mercury so hard because Mercury's gravity is so low, they just slam into it. Like this. Mercury is actually the first planet and the second hottest planet from the sun. Now we're just going to wash our hands and we'll be right back. And then after that, we're going to be starting off Venus. What happened here? Who touched my stuff? What's going on here? Why did Mercury and Venus swap? Oh, it must be that Albert Einstein. I don't know why he even touched this. Maybe he tried to trick me. Well, I guess we're moving on. Here's a little trick. If you want to make orange or whatever color you want on Venus, maybe you want to use blue or green, black and white, or maybe the 2 colors. There's actually a trick. You can actually mix these 2 colors together. So you're just going to need a little bit or maybe a lot of yellow and pretty much a little bit of red. Like the same amount of red of the yellow. Oh, look, a bubble. A paint bubble. Whoa! The red already came out when I didn't even press it down yet. Oh, that's a lot. So now we're just gonna get started. You know, Venus doesn't have to be all yellow. I mean orange. It can also be like a yellowish, reddish, blackish, whitish. Because those are like the main colors. I think we're gonna need a different paintbrush. Yeah, this is much easier.
Oh, it actually has some brown and black and white. I guess these are the colors I wanted. It did have the colors I wanted. It was like magic. It's like magic. It's a magic paintbrush. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yes, 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 this is exactly the answer.
We're painting up Venus. You know, on my favor, I wanted to have a little bit of black to it. So, you can also put Venus like this. We finished the Venus now! Oh, look at that. Mercury's all dry. This is actually how Mercury is. Mercury is just one dry planet. Now that we finished up Venus, this is the group that we done so far. The Sun on our last video, Mercury on this video, and even Venus. Venus is the second planet and also the hottest. And guess what? Not like Mercury, those meteors cannot stand any chance on Venus because of its atmosphere. They always burn up and none of them hit. Well, sometimes some of them hit, just like some hit Earth. Did you actually know that Venus, if you put a map on it, you can actually see the surface? If you actually send a probe that's actually strong enough that it won't burn up in Venus's atmosphere. Mercury is the fastest of the fastest planets. Not any other planet even stands a chance. Mercury is orbiting so fast, not even Venus can even handle it. But sometimes Venus does actually go ahead. And Mercury just zooms by like, hello! And then goes in the lead. And then Venus goes like, hello. And then he takes the lead. Sometimes it makes an eclipse on the sun. And then once Venus goes like this, Venus kind of blocks Mercury's view. Blocks the whole sun. And then the race goes on again. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And give me a big thumbs up. See you until my next video.